So today I am going to discuss cursors. Okay, a cursor is a pointer to a private SQL area that store information about processing of a select or DML statements like insert, delete, and merge. Now, cursor is a mechanism which facilitates you to assign a name to a select statement and manipulate the information within that SQL statement. Now this is a cursor declaration. They should go and see this is a cursor and cursor name is and select statement. Same way this is a cursor. I am going to declare one cursor. Okay, this is just going to delete. Now enter, select enter. Okay, invalid. Okay, now I am going to give single quotes. See here, this is a cursor. Now going to enter. Yeah, this is a cursor. Okay, now same way how to use a cursor in function. Okay, now this is a cursor is going to use in function. Okay, output cursor is created. Same way I am going to call cursor. Okay, where is my this is my create function declaration. Okay, in this input parameter already know function name and return type number. Okay, same here declaring. Okay, number here we are declaring a C number. Okay, C number we are using here. Okay, cursor we are writing a cursor here, just give single quotes. Okay, my cursor name is C name in. Okay, course name in. Okay, just I am going to this is a cursor select statement here C. We are using a C statement into C number. Okay, number we are declaring not found. C not found we are declaring. If you are found, just we are entering the C number. Okay, now just enter here. See here function compiled successfully. Here enter. Okay, now going to enter. What happened? Now going to enter. See function find cursor compiled successfully. Here also is showing created. Okay, now same way open C1. Okay, open C1. Okay, how to use open cursor in a function. Now we are going to use open cursor. This is the cursor again we are created here, open cursor and close cursor. This is one of the example. Okay, this here this example is not good. We are going to explain some other website. Okay, just going to delete. Now just go up, find the cursor, return type here declared number C number we are using. This is my cursor. Okay, my variable cursor having a SQL query. This is a cursor is a statement. This is SQL query. Okay, here not found. Okay, we are assigning. If you found return number, just going to enter. See here cursor is compiled successfully this way. Okay, Here we are using open cursor and close cursor. Inside we are using values, C number. Okay, if you see not found, okay, we are using assigning C number. Same way I'm going to see open cursor and close cursor. We are discussed how to fetch a rows from cursor. Okay, this is the syntax. Fetch cursor or cursor name into variable list. Same way fetch we are using this is a cursor. Consider a cursor definition. This is a cursor. We are cursor having a SQL query. This is a SQL query. Same way fetch C1 into C number. Okay, now this is a consider. Let's take an example. Fetch cursor ID into variable number call. Okay, now we are going to call variable number. Fetch variable number. Okay, same way here cursor C1 open and close. Same way we are using where it here fetch C1 into C number. Okay, if you not found, here we are fetch C1 into C number. Okay, C number we are fetching. Same way just going to delete and enter. Now going to enter function find cursor compiled, like that we done. Okay, how to close we are already used here. Close, open and close, open and close. This way we are completed cursor with cursor. Okay, multiple cursors example. Okay, we are going to use multiple cursors example. Okay, here procedure is created. Now try to understand procedure. Multiple cursors. Just going to copy. Now going to paste, enter. Okay, multiple cursors is compiled. What he done, try to understand. Okay, procedure and procedure name. Multiple cursors procedure. These are our variables. Here cursor get table is this is a cursor is sorry, control Z. Okay, cursor name get tables. This is a distance table, distance where owner all tables. Okay, we are using this is a select query from SQL. Again get columns. This is one more cursor. Okay, get columns. Okay, just we are going to take some other SQL query. Just paste here. Run. Here this is a cursor. Here he created get all tables. Same way another cursor. Just going to copy. Okay, copy and here another workspace. Just we paste and just go up, control enter. See here these are v table name not found. Okay, this cursor is v table name. Okay, v table name, data type here assigning. Okay, otherwise yes, I'm going to use here these all are distinct column name. You're going to process. Okay, now no problem. Get cursors beginning. Now here procedure, here beginning, and open Paisho cursor. We are opening a Paisho cursor. Okay, here we are fetch into v1. This is a variables we are fetching. Get another cursor. Here Paisho cursor is open. Same way we are opening a second cursor. Fetch get columns and into C V column names. This is a variable name. Okay, again close. Here exception. If you raise application error, multiple procedures. This way we are completed in this website examples. Here we not getting any output. Next we will discuss Oracle triggers. Next video we are going to discuss Oracle trigger.